Hi guys, in this little tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your Twitch account in an easy way, fast and easy. Alright, so basically this trick is working with a mobile version and also for a desktop version like this video. Okay, so it's just so simple. You need to go to twitch.tv, alright, and then this is the link URL that you're going to type for delete your account. So it's basically slash user slash delete dash account. Okay. So you just enter it. Okay. And here you got the options in order to delete your account. Okay. For example, this is an optional, and you just need to be sure that this is your account where you want to what you want to delete. Okay. And then delete the account and the process is going to be continue. And that's the easy way how you can delete it. I hope this helped you, and if you have something interesting to share, just leave it in the comments below. See you next one.